Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can improve your network signal on iPhone if you're having like one or two bars on your network, as you can see on top of my right screen. So I'm going to show you a couple of methods to solve this problem. First of all, go to the settings option, and here you can see the option mobile service. Click that option here, and those are all the mobile services option that you can see on your phone. Go to networks selection here, click it, and here you can see my network selection is automatic, so I'm going to turn this off and wait for my manual network to come on my screen. As you can see, my SIM provider is this one, so I'm going to click it, and after that you may think there isn't any changes, but we're gonna go to the control panel and turn on the airplane mode. It will reset your network settings, and it will make sure that you are connected with the nearest network tower, so that you can have better signal. So I'm gonna keep it for 5 seconds and then turn it off, and you can see the network is searching, and you have to wait. And as you can see, all the four signal bar are connected on my phone. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next one.